The Druid is a nature-bound spellcaster and fierce protector of the wild. Harnessing the elemental forces of earth, air, fire and water, they weave powerful spells that can summon animals, manipulate plants and heal their companions. With an innate ability to shapeshift into various beasts, Druids can become ferocious predators or elusive creatures, embodying the essence of nature herself. Whether guiding their allies through treacherous terrains or unleashing the primal fury of the wild upon foes, Druids are the embodiment of the untamed spirit, channeling the ancient magic that pulses through the very fabric of the world.